Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto booth. He's the crypto father, the one and only, putting in the hours, never getting lonely.
Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 15th of May. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new project that just showed up a little while ago. But before I do, make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, stick around till the very end of the video so you don't miss any of the details, and of course share the content with everybody else who you think may benefit from watching this video and of course the channel. So this project has been around for 17 days only. It's built on a Carlson hash algorithm, mining algorithm. It's another proof of work project, and I'm going to look at it and see what it is. It's mineable. I'm not going to be looking at the ways to mine it, but I'm just going to look at the project itself. So the project is Consensus Network. Welcome to Consensus Network, an innovative blockchain created for small miners and driven by the community. So there's a lot of projects, mineable projects coming out, and some of them are viable, some of them are questionably so. One of the projects that I mentioned in the past was AI Meme, I think. And that project seems to be in complete shambles. Initially, when I tried mining it, I was told that it's better to use ASICs straight from the get-go. They were not even introducing GPU mining, which was a big mistake, and I think the project is struggling right now. So this project, Consensus Network, is a new project, and it's trying to implement the Ghost DAG blockchain, which may or may not be a good thing. But in any case, at first glance, there isn't much on the website, but let's scroll through this here. So community-oriented projects. The Consensus Network is built on the principle of community governance. Unlike traditional blockchains, where decisions are often centralized, the Consensus Network places power directly in the hands of its users. Every miner and user has a vote in major decisions, including protocol changes, upgrades, and the use of community funds. This democratic approach ensures that the network evolves in a way that benefits all members, not just the few. How this is done, I'm not entirely sure. Normally, decisions and voting is done through smart contracts. So I'm not sure if this blockchain is going to introduce smart contracts. It doesn't say anywhere that I've seen that it does that. So the decision making may be done through and governance may be done through Discord. No idea. Faster, scalable, and decentralized. Unlocking efficiency and scalability with the Ghost DAG, Direct Acrylic Graphic Protocol. Fastest transactions. Consensus Network generates multiple blockchain blocks every second for posting transactions to the ledger, combined with fully confirmed transactions in 10 seconds. This makes Consensus Network ideal for everyday transactions. Scalability. Consensus Network solves the scalability problem with its ability to generate and confirm multiple blocks per second. This comes with no trade-off to security and decentralization as seen with proof-of-stake networks. And decentralized by empowering proof-of-work systems, the Consensus Network remains unstoppable. It is managed by the community. So again, I guess this means just refers to the miners, right? Miners are the community right now because the project is not listed on any exchanges just yet from what I've seen. It has a total supply of 28.4 billion tokens or coins rather. Community funds hold 6 billion coins, which will be used for project development and withdrawal with the subject to a community vote. Now, I assume that this may be pre-mined since they're already talking that 6 billion tokens or coins will be used for project development, unless there is a small number of coins that is being allocated with every block mined. But when I looked at the Explorer, I don't think that there doesn't seem to be. It seems like most blocks have, I think, 800 block reward is 880 coins per block, and so that's what we're getting, unless with the exception of the blocks that I guess are payments of some sort. Long-term sustainability, with a total subsidy cycle of over 36 years, the issuance of new coins will reach zero on April 27, 2059. and blockchain launch. The consensus network was launched on April 27, 2024, which was just a month ago, less than a month ago, and 600 billion coins have already been pre-mined, it seems, because when you go on the blockchain, on the Explorer, it says that 25% have already been mined. So 25% of the supply has already been mined. So that's a pretty big number. Total number of coins in circulation is 7 billion. 6 billion of those are meant for the community funds, and there is a total supply of 28.43 billion. On the market data, there is no price listed just yet. As I mentioned, there is no, I don't think it's been listed on any exchanges, even though in the Discord people seem to be talking about price tags, which is strange, because if it's not listed on exchanges, then what the heck are they talking about? So it could just be some butters or spammers. Here's the block reward schedule. May 2024, it's 808 coins per block. By June, it's going to be 404 blocks, and it's going to be slashed May, June, July, August, every month. So the first month is going to be cut in half, and then there's going to be a reduction of, I don't know what that is, 5% or so, until June 2026, where you get 110 coins per block. So the mining in the first month is going to be the most lucrative if you can get on it. They do have a node. You can set up a node. I looked at it on GitHub, but it is something that you need to build yourself. So this is the thing with new projects, man. There's you have to set it up yourself, and it's always a hassle. There's several times that I tried with Cubic, and I tried with what is it? Zealous. It's always a hassle, and people have continuously problems, and the nodes are just a lazy get around from the dev side before, I guess, having enough funds to pay devs to set up a proper node. Because it wouldn't be that difficult to have a downloadable web, or rather Windows version of the node, but it just takes a little bit more programming, and it doesn't seem like these guys, most of the new projects want to do that. So you have to go to GitHub and download the dependencies and run the code and all that stuff. It's not an exe file. That's usually the case with new projects. They do seem to have a wallet which can be created. There's a web version of it, I guess. Create a wallet, and you set it up similar to many other wallets. So you can do that. And then there's the Block Explorer and mining pools. Of course, there are some mining pools you can mine, but according to this, if you set up the node, you can mine without a pool. So you should be able to mine directly through the node, which is cool. Mining's pool stats lists a bunch of pools that you can join. Baikal Mine, mining for people, mining some guy mining pool. This is a pretty small pool, so I'm surprised that that's in the game here. But so the network has 12 or 13 terahash per second right now. So right now it looks like this project is aiming to be another protocol, another project that can be used for payments. They don't have a very big following on Twitter just yet, only 4,700 people, under 5,000, so it isn't that massive just yet. There seems to be a few more people here on Discord. So it's a slowly growing project, but it's still in the works. There is a white paper. It's quite technical, so if you are into that, then go ahead and do that. You can read through it. It explains Ghost DAG and Phantom. If you're not familiar with those, then check that out. The Phantom protocol, preliminaries, and basically it allows the production of several blocks at a time, which is supposed to speed up payments and, of course, increase security and scalability. If you're interested in mining this project, I think Son of a Tech posted a video on how to mine this project, but you can also get all the details on the Discord channel through their Discord channel. so you can follow them there. In the meantime, please remember to smash up the like, subscribe, join the channel memberships if you are feeling generous, but if not, then share the content with everybody else. Let YouTube know that they need to spread this content for this channel to larger audience, because why the heck not? A lot of the big YouTubers are going rogue, man. I don't know, questionable, with the exception, I think, with Son of a Tech and very, very few others. Man, most of the big YouTube, crypto YouTube channels are just big promotional campaigns for products and just hopium for Bitcoin. So make sure that small channels like this one are heard. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Peace.